So this is the other question 5. We're asking you to find the measure of angle x. Here you have two chords that are intersecting. However, they're asking for the angle relationship. Okay. So notice that from angle x, it produces a chord of BC. Then its reflexive angle of x also produces another angle of arc BA. So what you can do is notice that x is actually 1/2 when you add those two arcs together, and they have to be the arcs that are produced by x and the vertical angle of x. So one on the right, one on the left. Okay, so here you're adding 145 plus 85, half it equals to 50. Okay, remember those two measurements have to be the arc that the x produces. Okay, B, here you have one tangent. ED, line ED is a tangent. EG is a secant. Okay, and here we have angle measurements. The property here is that the angle of DEF, which is from the external point, is equal to 1/2 the big arc, which is the outside arc, subtracted the minor arc. So here DG was the major arc, DF would be the minor arc here. Okay, 1/2 114 minus x, and it equals to 29. 29 is the angle of the exterior angle. Okay, don't distribute the 1/2. Multiply both sides by 2. That's how you get rid of the fraction. Equals 58 equals to 114 minus x. Minus 114 on both sides, you get negative 56 equals to x, to negative x. Divide both sides by -1. You get x is equal to 56. Notice the C is the same one. Okay, angle, here it's a secant and another secant, but it's the same property here. The angle, the exterior angle, is equal to 1/2 the major arc minus the minor arc. So the angle of the exterior angle is 34. Okay, the big arc, the major arc, is 3x minus 12. The minor arc is x plus 6, but remember you're minusing it, so you're minusing x and minusing 6. Combine both sides and combine the like terms inside the parentheses. 3x minus x is 2x. -2 and -6 becomes -8. Here it is good for you to actually distribute the 1/2 because the numbers are pretty. 1/2 times 2x, 1/2 times -8, that's x minus 4. Add 4 to both sides, you get x is equal to 8. There you go.